Now, with the Lok Sabha results in Punjab falling short of the Aam Aadmi Party's expectations, the party has decided to hold an introspection meet on poor performance in the state before it braces up for assembly bypolls, which is necessary by 4 MLAs making it to the parliament. Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has called for a meeting with the party's Lok Sabha candidates, along with a group of party MLAs and district presidents. Now, Chief Minister Mann and Sandeep Pathak will meet all ministers and MLAs at the Chief Minister's residence today itself. The first round of the meeting will be with candidates, followed by a second round with ministers and MLAs. Now, within the party, concerns have been raised after the Aam Aadmi Party won only 3 out of 13 seats, and of the 92 Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, only 32 secured leads from their assemblies. Some ministers were unable to secure leads from their constituencies in the Lok Sabha elections. We're crossing over to my colleague Amandeep to get us more on this. Amandeep, sorry, apologies for crossing over your name there. But tell us more about when it comes to the update of the meetings that are going to be taking place, the review sessions that the opposition is taking. We're now focusing on Punjab. The Aam Aadmi Party is going to be talking about what exactly happened in the state. But what are the rumblings on the ground for why their performance was the way it was?
Results are very much disappointing for Aam Aadmi Party, just because Aam Aadmi Party was claiming 13 out of 13 in the state of Punjab, and in fact the results remain restricted to 3 seats only. And even the most embarrassing situation for them is that out of 92 MLAs, they were not able to make a cut in their own constituencies, in their own assemblies, and in fact only 32 assembly constituencies given the lead to Aam Aadmi Party. So that is the reason this introspection meeting has been called by Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann and Sandeep Pathak, and in fact initially this meeting has been separated into 2 parts. First, they will be meeting to the MPs who claimed the victory in Lok Sabha elections, and second round of meeting will be held with MLAs, ministers, and in fact other leaders to make the ground situation understand that where Aam Aadmi Party was lacking, why they are not able to perform very well in the state of Punjab during this Lok Sabha elections. And in fact one meeting is scheduled today and another meeting is scheduled tomorrow. So tomorrow they will be holding certain kind of discussions with all MLAs and ministers, and CM will also raise the questions that what has happened, why the MLAs were not able to bring down their development work and in fact their agendas to the people, and why they failed to encash in that agenda into the votes as well. Just because a complete cut, despite having a complete cut majority in the assembly, they are not able to make it in the Lok Sabha elections as well. And on the other side, the Congress got a straight away benefit and got 7 seats out of 13. That was the most embarrassing situation, just because Congress and Aam Aadmi Party was fighting head-on collision in the state of Punjab. So let's wait and watch what will happen. First, CM will hold the meetings with MPs and with MLAs, ministers, and then the decision will take place. Either they are going to change their strategy.
We will have to wait and watch to see what happens. Unfortunately, we'll have to leave it with that. But thank you so much for joining us and getting us that update. Now, with this, we're heading into a very short break. Do stay tuned. We'll be right back with more.